this is my friend Kyle, and together we will show you how to make a Ethernet cable. But what is the use of it, you may ask? A Ethernet cable allows us to connect our computer to the router so that we may use the internet. It is also arranged in a variety of different colors that we must follow. But before we can proceed to the video tutorial, this is a good project by our ICT class, and we hope that you can please like and subscribe. The materials that have been used at this video is a RJ45 or the modular connector. The second one is a cable tester. Third is a wire stripper. Fourth is a crimping tool. And finally, the last is the cable itself, for a total of 5 materials. So let us begin. To create a Ethernet cable, step 1 is to strip the cable jacket for about 1.5 inch down from the end. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them each. Be sure not to untwist them any farther down. In the color alignment for set B, it starts with white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. Step 4. Cut the wires evenly, and it must be straight as possible with a 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. For the last step, carefully insert the wires all the way into the modular connector, making sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the RJ45. And lock or crimp it with the crimping tool. In the color alignment for set A, arrange the following colors by white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, white-brown, and brown. Once everything is all set, we can now use our cable tester.